Hey, my friend Daniel here. Welcome to the channel. In this video, we're diving into the myEcon income shifting, also known as the W4 correction. In this quick and straight to the point video, we're going to talk about one of myEcon's probably most popular products or services. And plain and simple, we're going to show you how if you're working a standard job, meaning, you go to an employer, they take out your taxes, you try to get taxes back at the end of the year, all that sort of good stuff. We're going to show you how to give yourself, on average, a 10 to 15% raise per week. And I'm going to break down some of the numbers for you so you can actually see it. And this is how you do it. This is how, to be honest with you, you could get started in myEcon right now and instantly, without even promoting the business, get an extra, on average, $500 per month back in your pocket. That, my friend, is the power of myEcon. So yes, you heard me correctly. You could start making more money with myEcon without even promoting the business. So let's dive in. Let's talk about how that works. Once you are in your members area, and of course, it doesn't matter what level you come in at, whether it's the $20 or the $40 or the $100 level, you could come in and you could start applying this income shifting strategy. So once you're in your members area, you're going to be right on this screen right here where it says BCM Home. And you're going to come over here to where it says Correct W4. And then once you click into that, there's going to be some tutorials that walk you through this process. And it's really quick and simple and easy. So you're going to watch that overview video, and then they're going to take you through the strategies of filling out this information. So you're going to print out a W4. You're going to fill this out the proper way because, plain and simple, guys, like, the goal here at the end of the year isn't to get a huge refund. If you're getting a huge refund at the end of the year, it means that you had too much taxes taken out during the year and you gave the government too much money, and they're going to give you a percentage of that back instead of putting the money back in your pocket. Okay, so it's really, really simple to go through this process. They're going to walk you through it, where to get the forms, how to fill it all out. They're going to take you through that, and all you got to do is follow along step by step. They're going to show you some basic math. You're going to calculate, what your earnings are, your family income, all those things, and they're going to show you how to do this step by step. So I want to take you over to a document I put together for you to kind of put it on paper so you could see it and just kind of understand this. Okay, so your W4 correction here is going to help you, in a nutshell, put more money back into your weekly paycheck. The goal for you is more money in your weekly paycheck. And at the end of the year, the goal is to be flush. You don't want to owe any taxes. And if you get a return, it should not be a lot of money. Okay. You should not be getting thousands of dollars back at the end of the year from your job because you literally got the right amount taken out and you put more money back in your pocket. That's why they call this income shifting, because you shift the money away from the return that you could potentially get. And that's just it. You leave it up to chance. When you put the money back in your pocket, you know exactly where it's going. It's going into your bank account. So just some facts for you here and some average numbers of doing this over the years and helping people income shift using the myEcon strategies. Okay. So as an example, the average take-home pay in the United States is about $44,000. Okay. So as an example, the average raise. Now, this is, this data could be a little dated here because I think the average raise now is actually about 2%, but the average raise per year is about 3%. Okay. So if you were to calculate, all right, $44,000 a year, we'll just round it up to $45,000 a year. You're going to get about a $1,300 to $1,400 per year raise, which is really peanuts at the end of the day. Okay. If you were to go through and apply that same strategy with the income shifting here that we're going to show you exactly how to do right from day one. So again, your very first day with myEcon, you could literally fill out that W4 correctly, give it to your employer, give yourself on average a 10 to 15% raise, and boom, right out of the gate, you're taking home more money every single week and every single month. So as an example, the average savings with income shifting with the strategy is $250 to $500 per month. Okay. So as an example, $375 per month over 12 months is a $4,500 per year shift in your income, or a $4,500 per year raise. So remember the numbers we just shared with you, okay? You could get a 3% raise and get about $1,300 to $1,400, or you could give yourself on average a $4,500 raise. Who knows? It might even be a little more depending on your job or depending how you calculate things out. Okay. So as an example, if you went from the average salary in the US, which is about 45 grand a year, you would be going up to about 50 grand a year. That would be almost a $5,000 raise that you could literally give yourself right now. And you do this legally, you do this ethically, you do this by the books, okay? And they show you the correct way and strategy to do this. So think about it. Does the average person get a $4,500 per year raise? No. Okay, that's over 10%. 10% raises, those are gone. Those might have happened years ago. I know it happened for me way back in my early 20s, but those days are long gone, my friend. There's so much control on what people make, the raises that they get, and employers know that people are replaceable. So if you are literally making too much money, they can literally just remove you and replace you with someone that they can pay for far less. So why not put the money back into your pocket so you are guaranteed that money instead of having all these additional taxes taken out and then hoping and praying at the end of the year that the government gives you the right percentage of money back. So you owe it to yourself, my friend, to do this correctly. You have the power to control your income. So with myEcon income shifting, it just makes sense and it puts more money back in your pocket. I hope you understand this. I hope this makes sense. If it does, do me a favor right now and comment the words down below, makes sense. If you have not gotten started with myEcon yet, go ahead, click the link in the description down below, get yourself started. I mean, just think about it, whatever level that you come in at. If you join for $20, if you join for $40, if you join for $100, I can almost guarantee you that you could make that back right away with income shifting. And then once you start sharing your link and you start building your business, you're obviously going to make even more. And the cost of admission will be well worth it 10 times over. Okay. So you can make your money back right away by applying this one simple strategy, my friend. Hope you got value from this video. Hope you have a little more of an understanding of myEcon income shifting or the W4 correction. Either one works fine for you, my friend. So go ahead, hit the link in the description down below, lock in your position. Also, if you want to see more about myself and our team and how we are the largest and fastest growing team inside of myEcon, that link is also in the description down below. But go ahead, get yourself started. Oh, by the way, while you're here, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and get notified anytime I'm uploading new content on myEcon or anything to do with making money online. Thank you for watching, my friend. I'll see you on the next one.